zooming in and out. That's obviously a pretty handy tool. Say we have this guy here. This logo is pretty small to really work with as it is. Say we wanted to clean something up here in the lettering or something. It's already selected. It's just over here, the magnifying glass zoom tool. You just click on it. The default is a plus sign, which is to zoom in. I'm just doing a regular left click on my mouse, and you can see, we can see that it gets pixelated. So we're very zoomed in. If you want to zoom out, you hold Alt on the keyboard, and you can see the plus sign turns to a minus sign. If I do my regular left click, and click, and click, and click, it zooms out. That's all you have to do. Or, say you're not on the zoom tool, you want to be really quick, you just hit Z on the keyboard, and it goes to the zoom tool.